There's many different wallpapers, even in the same room. This one with the little purple flowers, I don't like. But it could be worse. It could look like this. Look at this one. All these tiny little nails. So many. At least they come out easy. Another wallpaper. So there's been 8 different wallpapers in 3 rooms. On patching this floor. This second board here has holes in it that are going to be right in the walkway. Have I ever patched a floor before? Laid a floor? No. Have I watched a few videos on it? Yes. I'm feeling pretty confident about this because I obviously know how it comes apart. So anything I know that how it comes apart, I kind of know how it goes back together. So let's try this out. This is a great transition piece. Okay, we have to be smart about this because I don't have very much of that wood and I need to stretch it as far as possible. Since this section right here is all gonna be the island, I don't need to go the whole way. I think I can save 2 foot by putting a 2-foot piece of plywood here, and then I can get 2 pieces out of each board. Because I have to go to this board because I have to have something to nail it to. We're gonna do that. Take a minute. You guys, we can accomplish anything. Maybe that wasn't a big deal to some. That's the first time I've ever done that. That was pretty epic if you ask me. The last piece is always a little different. Where there's 2 grooves here, the bottom one, we have to cut off. So when we slide it in with the tongue, this top lip just sits on top. We actually have to nail it from the top. There's gonna be a 3-foot space for our refrigerator and a wall is gonna come out here, 3 foot. So since a wall comes out like this, we have to remove all of this wainscoting. Not like it's in the way, but we wanna reuse it. Now we can do this hole. This one is gonna be a little different just because I still have this one beam here. That one is kind of helping to support the ceiling before they put the headers in. So once they remove that, I'll come back with 2 longer strips right here. Gotta take the old nails out. We clean and we put the rest of the paper down. We vacuum. I got this 3M no residue tape. This was expensive, so in the middle I was just gonna do the masking tape to tape them together. Oh my goodness, you guys, yesterday I was dead. I couldn't even for the life of me get down one more time and put down the paper in the other room that I had to do. I couldn't do it. So I came back this morning and I put the rest of the paper down. So we did a pretty good job on our list. The only two things left are mark where the windows and doors will go and remove the siding from the back. I'm tired and I have to start on the windows. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I have to keep working. Bye guys.